Ever since the first Huawei watch was released, the models in this series have been quite popular. Huawei have tracked a specific set of features that seems to be gathering a lot of users around this series. The long battery, the classic design, the smart capabilities, along with an attractive price. The Huawei GT2 Pro was released last year, but now, in 2021, is under 200 quid, but still looks amazing. Is still worth it in 2021? Welcome to the review of the Huawei GT2 Pro. Hello, Thiago here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings. And if it's something that interests you, do consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up on this video and share this video all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Huawei GT2 Pro. When you buy the Huawei GT2 Pro, you can get the sport version or the classic version. This one is the classic one. It comes with a leather strap, a USB cable, and a magnetic dock. For the Huawei GT2 Pro, nothing fancy on the box. Well, actually, it is, and is amazingly beautiful, the Huawei GT2 Pro watch. As you can see, the design is very different between the Apple iWatch and the Huawei GT2 Pro watch. More on the design later. Let's talk about the price now. The price tag for the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro in 2021 is below £200 to £199.99. You will save around £100. Let's compare with the older versions of the Apple iWatch, the Series 5. It's still around £319, £320, quite expensive. The Huawei comes in a 46mm size, with a 52 grams weight. The body is made of titanium and is crazy tough, and hopefully will never scratch up. The screen is also tough, with a sapphire glass surface. On the back end you have ceramic finish as well, very easy on the skin. And if you like scuba diving, this is good news for you, because the Huawei GT2 Pro is water resistant until 50 meters. As usual, the pairing process is nice and straightforward, even using the iPhone. Like every other smartwatch, you can have the notifications and this will work without any problems on the iPhone, as you can see. You can switch which ones are the ones gonna buzz on your wrist. The casing materials are very different between the iWatch and the Huawei GT2 Pro, but the big difference is the classic look of the GT2 Pro and its amazing round screen with 1.39 inches AMOLED display is nice and crisp, and because of its size, you can read everything on the screen. The colors are nice and poppy. Another great feature is the built-in mic and speaker, so you can take calls and speak with your watch, like James Bond. Well, the GT2 Pro is full of fitness tracker features. You can monitor your heart rate using the fresh 2SYN 4.0 Plus sensor, with better power efficiency when you're doing the 24 hours tracking. Monitoring the SpO2 is not a problem as well, to make sure you have enough oxygen on your blood and you don't pass out. The exercise tracking is quite impressive, with tracking for more than 100 types of exercise, like snowboarding and cross-country skiing for the winter. And if you play golf, you can measure your swing speed. All of this with the full support of the built-in GPS, so you can leave your smartphone at home and you still track your exercises. Talking about GPS, when you're doing a proper exercise workout outside, for example, if you scroll for the right, you will find the new route back feature. What this does, it tracks your route, and if you get a bit lost or a bit confused, you can easily come back using this feature. And if you decide to leave your smartphone at home, don't worry, you can put 500 music songs in the GT2 Pro. And if you are a bit of a control freak, you can control your sleep and have some tips on how to improve it. And you can control your stress levels as well in the end of the month when you have the bills to pay. One of the biggest strengths of the Huawei GT2 Pro is the battery. On the standard default settings, you will get 2 weeks of battery between charges. On my testing, I found out that it's spot on, and if you use all the features, plus are always on screen on, it will come down to a week or a few days. I used mine for 13 days for 24 hours a day with the use of GPS and all the features. The only feature I was off was the on-screen on, and after the 13 days I still managed to have 19% of battery left. It's no point in comparing this one with the Apple iWatch, because on my Apple iWatch I only get like 1 day, 2 days at the most. And this was a quick review of the Huawei GT2 Pro, a quick comparison with the Apple iWatch. In the end, a classic look, the robust body, the amazing battery made me change my daily watch to the Huawei GT2 Pro. Let me know in the comments what you think. Which watch do you use? And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends all around. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It will help the channel. Stay safe, and I will see you on my next review.